The new way to carry out concrete mix designs. Calculating proportions for concrete mix designs has always been a tedious task. Here is the Android app you can use to work out mix proportions with a bit of ease. Let us take a walkthrough and see the ease with which you can do it using Apt Concrete. Now let us launch Apt Concrete from the app drawer. Now first thing you would need to do is to select a grade of concrete. So let us select M30 grade from the drop-down list. Now in the same way you can select type of cement. Let us select PPC cement. Next, for workability, let us select the slump of 50 to 75 mm. You can now select a sand zone depending upon the gradation. Let us select zone 3. Now with the help of the seek bar, you can adjust water content to increase or decrease the cement content as per requirements. Let us decrease the cement content by sliding the seek bar to its extreme right. Now when you select the grade of concrete, the seek bar below automatically set itself to the default required value conforming to the standard. But in case you need to take trial as at water cement ratio other than the default ratio, you can use the seek bar to alter the ratio. The next is aggregate proportion. Let us select 70:30. After this, you can select option for pumped concrete. Then you would need to set specific gravity of various ingredients. The keyboard would pop up on clicking the appropriate text editor. Let us change the specific gravity of sand. Similarly, you can change the specific gravity of remaining items as per your needs. Alternatively, you can skip them by pressing next button. For now, let us skip the rest and get on to the submit button. Clicking the submit button would take you on to the next page where you can find the detailed report showing proportions for the concrete mix design you intended to conduct based on the characteristics you defined just a while ago. Here below in the grid you can see proportions at the cement content. If you need to have proportions for a bag of 50 kgs of cement, you would just need to select the second option button. And if you need proportions for 4 kgs of cement for conducting a trial mix, just select the first option button. That's it. Isn't it easy? So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and get it.